Welcome to our AI image generation workflow. Today we'll see how to create stunning images using multiple AI models with just a few simple steps. First, we set our initial prompt. In this case, we're imagining a lady in red in the style of Claude Monet. But why stop there? Let's make it even better. We feed this prompt into Claude 3.5, our AI assistant. Claude acts as our creative director, enhancing the prompt with vivid details and artistic nuances. This step is crucial. It's like having a professional artist guiding our vision. Now comes the exciting part. We'll test this supercharged prompt across 4 different AI image generation models. Each model has its unique strengths. PromptHero OpenJourney often produces vibrant, dreamlike images. Xpuct Deliberate is known for its detailed and realistic outputs. DALL-E 3 excels at interpreting complex concepts and scenes. And Stable Diffusion 3.0, the latest in the series, offers cutting-edge image quality. Let's run the scenario and see what masterpieces our AI artists create. By using multiple models, we're not just creating one image, we're exploring a range of artistic interpretations. It's like commissioning 4 different artists to paint the same scene. This workflow is perfect for creative professionals, art enthusiasts, or anyone looking to bring their ideas to life visually. Whether you're brainstorming for a project, creating content for social media, or just exploring your creativity, this multi-model approach ensures you'll find the perfect image to match your vision. Thanks for watching and happy automating!